Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's absolutely beautiful, sunny weather outside. And if you think that curries are not for this season, then you are completely wrong because we enjoy curries throughout the year. Indian food is beautiful in winters and summers. And I want to share a really quick, easy, light lentil recipe with you. And green mangoes are in season right now. You can find these rock hard green mangoes in Asian supermarkets very easily. So I'm going to use this to make a beautiful mango tur dal for today's recipe. And like all my recipes, this is a super simple, easy recipe which is ready in 30 minutes, and it is absolutely gorgeous recipe, and it's from my book 30-Minute Indian. So any of you looking for a written recipe, you can check out my book 30-Minute Indian, and I'll have the link in the description below. So I'm going to start with 400 grams of tur dal. You can use tur dal or you can use red lentils, and I'm just doubling the quantities for our family because I'm cooking for 4 people. So the tur dal goes in. I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of salt, and also 2 liters of boiling water. Now this is just going to help cook the lentils quicker. Now I'm cooking in pressure cooker, but you can just cook it in a normal pan. So I'm just using green mango. If you can't find this small Indian green mango, then you can use any kind of green mangoes you find in a supermarket. And just going to peel the whole mango. It's really quite hard inside, so just peel it off and cut the flesh into thin strips. And then all I'm going to do is chop it up into small pieces. Don't chop it up too finely. You just need to chop up into just little bite-sized pieces. And I'm going to add the chopped up mangoes to the bowl of lentils. Like I said, I'm making this in a pressure cooker, but you can easily cook this in a normal pan and cook this for around 15 to 20 minutes until the lentils are soft and fully done. So after it's cooked, I will just leave it to settle. Because I'm cooking it in the pressure cooker, I need to let the pressure go down. So I always let it just sit for 15 minutes before I open the lid. But if you're cooking in a pan, just let it sit for 10 minutes so that it kind of just continues to cook slowly in the steam as it is. So as you can see, it's properly cooked. It's the lentils are super soft and the mango is really soft, and it's all come together really nicely. Like I always say, I like to cook lentils until they have broken up, because that's when you get the real flavor. So always remember that when you're cooking lentils. And that's it. The lentils are done. I am just going to transfer it to a serving bowl. And once I've done that, I can move on and prepare the tadka for the dal. So for the tadka, I'm just using a big red chili. You can use 2 green chilies, you can use 1 green chili, you can use chilies to your taste. So you could use a really hot one or a really mild one. And I've got a little pan here, and I'm just going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of homemade ghee. It's really simple to make at home if you can't find it in the shops. Also, I prefer the flavor of homemade ghee anyways. Recipes on the channel. I'm adding a teaspoon of black mustard seeds. Let them pop. That's when they release the flavor. So let them sizzle and pop, and then add the chilies. Let them sizzle up too. Let it cook, and kind of then they'll release the flavor into the ghee, which is how the dal will get all its delicious lovely flavor. So just let it cook for a minute, and then the last thing to go in is some chili powder. I often get asked about the chili powder. I just use Indian chili powder, but you could use any chili powder according to your taste and preference. Very hot, less spicy, paprika, whatever you like. And then this beautiful chili tadka goes on top of our mango tur dal, and just drizzle it on top, and it's ready to be served. All that's left to do is enjoy this beautiful bowl of dal on top of a pile of piping hot rice or with some chapati. You can also eat it just as a bowl of soup, really. This is delicious at room temperature as well if it's a really hot day. Now, when you put it on the serving table, on the table for everyone to eat, make sure that you stir it all well. Look at that. So that the flavor kind of spreads through the whole bowl of dal. So make sure you do that before you serve. Otherwise, flavor will just be on top. You need that, mustard and chili to run through. Oh, can't wait. I love mango dal. You have to make the most of whatever is in season, and it is mango season. If you can't find mango, you can use some lemon juice or lime, and if you don't want to add that, you can just enjoy it as chili dal, really. Oh, that chili is hot. Oh, tingly. There's a mango. Oh. It kind of spreads the flavor through the dal. It's just quite hard to explain, so you really have to try this out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys soon with another new recipe. This is beautiful, guys. Really, just something different to your regular dal. Why not?